Okay students, now I am coming to the second part of the story, and this second part is of the story starts after Bob Willis entering into the middle of the room. So you know from the first half of the story that Mr. Millman, one rich scoutmaster, took the Kestrel Patrol, means one group of scout group of boys, and he visited the Treeview Cottage for a month's holiday. And there Jimmy Wright started imagining that there might be something wrong in the cottage. The ghosts might be visiting the cottage often, and he thought that he would face trouble, or he would face the ghost. It was his imagination. Then he decided to go round the cottage with Bob Willis. And what happened when the others were discussing, Bob Willis entered the room in a very afraid manner, and he shouted loudly that he was panting, and he shouted loudly there were ghosts. Okay. Now the next part starting. "Don't be silly," snapped the scoutmaster, gripping the sea scout. "You are not a kid." So the scoutmaster became angry, and the scoutmaster angrily said that you don't be silly, don't be silly, or you should not be stupid. And he caught hold of Bob Willis, and he said that he was not a child, he should not be afraid of anything. He should think logically that what had happened. But that boy was literally afraid. Why? Because he thought that he had seen the ghosts. Bob swallowed hard and pulled himself together. So Bob just did like this, means Bob, it seemed that Bob had swallowed his words, and then he started to be steady. I am sorry sir, he answered bravely, but Jimmy and I saw a figure upstairs. He said that he was very sad, means he answered in a very brave manner. He answered what? That he was really sorry because Jimmy and he had seen a figure upstairs. Upstairs they had seen one figure. "And where is Jimmy?" asked Jack Burton suddenly. Now Jack Burton suddenly asked. They could see whom? Bob is there, but Jimmy was with him, but Jimmy was not there. So Jack Burton, a member of the Kestrel Patrol group, he asked, where was Jimmy? Means, where was Jimmy gone? They could not see Jimmy there. And Bob shook his head. "I don't know," he replied. "I thought he was behind me." And Bob then nodded his head and said that he did not know. He thought that Jimmy was following him and Jimmy was behind him, but Jimmy was not there. Mr. Millman looked rather anxious. Now Mr. Millman looked rather anxious in a very tense manner. He became very tense. "Come along, all of you," he said. "This must be looked into." And he led the way upstairs to find all the bedroom deserted. "Now, come along, all of you." And he said that you should come along with us, and this must be looked into. They must look into the matter. And he led the way upstairs. Means he was the leader of the group. He just leading the way upstairs. He told the other boys to follow him. He was just in front of the group. And to find all the bedrooms deserted, means everyone came out of the bedrooms. Jimmy Wright had completely and utterly vanished. They also looked inside the rooms which were empty. Means all the boys came out and they were gathering round room Mr. Millman. Now Jimmy Wright, they wanted to search Jimmy Wright here and there. They went and searched in every room, but it was said what? That Jimmy Wright was vanished, means he had disappeared. He was not there. Every corner of the room they searched, but they could not see him. Now suddenly there came a cry from the room over the kitchen, and as the other dashed back into the room where Bob had seen his supposed ghost, they found Jack Burton peering into the cupboard. Now suddenly there came a cry. Suddenly they could hear what? A noise from the room over the kitchen. Means over the kitchen there was a room. They could hear that noise from the kitchen. As the others dashed back into the rooms, again others rapidly entered into the room. And where Bob had seen the ghost, means they could hear that sound coming from that particular room from where Bob had seen the ghost. So the room where Bob saw the ghost, they went inside that room only. And they found what? Jack Barton. Jack Barton means another boy means in the, of the group of the Kestrel Patrol. He was peering inside the cupboard, means he was looking inside the cupboard. Look, sir, cried Jack as he held the door of the cupboard open for his scoutmaster. So he held the door for the open for the scoutmaster, and he was looking inside the cupboard. Isn't that a door or something at the back? Now he pointed out what? That if that door was not a door, something at the back of the room. Now he said what? He opened the door of the cupboard, and isn't that a door or something at the back? Now he could find what? At the back of the cupboard, there he found one door. Mr. Millman whipped out a torch and flashed its beam on the back of the cupboard. Now Mr. Millman switched on the torch and he just showed light its beam on the back of the cupboard. You are right, he muttered, and what's more, it's partly open. There's no doubt that our young friend Jimmy had gone exploring further. Keep together all of you and follow me. There seem to be some steps leading downwards. Now what they could find, that there was an opening of the and they could find one door which was partly open. Sorry. And which was partly open, and Mr. Millman could find out that there had been no doubt that their young friend Jimmy had gone exploring, means had gone further exploring, and he said that they should keep together. All of them must accompany them and follow Mr. Millman. So everyone should stay together. Every member of the Kestrel Patrol should stay together and follow whom? Mr. Millman. And there seemed to be some steps leading downwards. So they could find one secret passage and steps going downwards after they opened the door behind the cupboard. And they just went down to the steps. The boys of the Kestrel Patrol followed eagerly, their hearts beating with excitement and hardly able to credit the fact that they were having a great adventure on the first day of their holiday. One by one, as they passed through the cupboard and then down a flight of dirty, worn and slippery stone steps. So the boys of the Kestrel Patrol, they followed each other very eagerly, and their hearts were also beating high because they were very excited to get to know the fact that they were having a great adventure. They were having a great adventure on the first day of their holiday. On the first day of their holiday, they were having a great adventure, and one by one they passed through the cupboard, and then down a flight of dirty, worn out, slippery stone steps. And they could see a series of steps that were made of stone, and they were dirty and they were broken. So they could find one secret passage, and when they got down through the stairs behind the door